click subscribe, hit the bell icon and never miss the update from SD's Chess World. Hello everyone, Namaste. It's a chess puzzle time and this puzzle is going to be very easy. Are you ready? Then let's go for it. So here is your chess puzzle. In this puzzle we have white pieces and our opponent has a black pieces. So let's analyze the board first. Of course we have rook, but it is not useful right now. Our king is cornered and the problem is this f2 pawn, which is going to promote it in just one move. And how we gonna stop it? We cannot go ahead for this f5 square, otherwise king will capture. And we cannot give a continuous check to the king because we just have to move for b6 square, then this pawn is going to capture. So how we gonna solve this? It is really easy. Take your time and try for it. I know you find that move. Yes, that move is rook to f5. We just have to sacrifice our rook. So king have to capture here because otherwise rook will going to capture this pawn. So king captures here. After that we will going for second interesting move, that is g4. Now it's a check. Now king has option either to capture this pawn or go for this safety of this pawn. So let's try if king goes for f4, then definitely king to g2 and this pawn is now not going to be promoted. So king just have to move to king to e3, but still the problem is we can go for this king to f1 and now this pawn is really stuck. So king will retreat on king to f4. We can either push the pawn or take the pawn here. We can push the pawn and king captures here and we can capture the pawn. Of course we have a 3 pawn against a 1 pawn and we are completely winning. Let's go back to that position, and now what if king captures the pawn? Then still it is going to be a king to g2 and there is no scope for this king to go ahead and protect the pawn. So he's going to push it to promote and then we can capture here. Of course black king can dominate us by playing this move, that is f3, but still it is not going to be a problem for us to win this game. Like king to e1, king to e3, king to d1, king to d3 and king to c1, and finally all the pawns are protected and we can easily win this. Now king just have to retreat because this b3 pawn is protecting this c4 square, b2 pawn is protecting this c3 square and king is covering c2 and d2 square. So black king have to retreat. It's a nice puzzle. Don't you find it interesting? If yes, then go ahead, hit the like button and share this with your friends. Also, you can watch my previous videos over here and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.